Hey guys, welcome back to Math Apple 101. And today we're going to be talking about the mean absolute deviation. The mean absolute deviation is the average distance between each data value and the mean. Mean absolute deviation is a way to describe variation in a data set. So in this video, we are going to learn on how to get the mean absolute deviation from a data set. So how do we find the mean absolute deviation? So we have to first find the mean of the numbers, then subtract the mean from each number, and then you make each difference positive and find the mean of the differences. Whew, that's a lot of steps. So now let's do them. So here's an example problem. So the example will be 4, 8, and 12. So we have to first find the mean, find the mean of the numbers, which over here, and then we need to so we're going to try to find the mean of numbers. 4, 8, and 12. So we find the mean. Yes, we're going to try to find the mean. So we have to add them up. 4 plus 8 plus 12, which give you 24. And then there are 1, 2, 3 numbers. So we have to divide 24 by 3, which will give you 12. So that means, I mean 8. Yes, that means the mean will be 8. So that in the next step, we have to subtract the mean from each number. So we know that the mean is 8, so we just subtract 8 from each number. Minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. So then you're left with -4, 0, and 4. So then in the next step, we have to make each difference positive. So we technically have all the numbers positive except for -4, which then we just make that absolute value, which will give you 4. So you have 4, 0, and 4. So then we're supposed to find the mean of their differences. So these are all of the differences: 4, 0, and 4. So then so now you're supposed to find the difference. So 4. We're supposed to find the mean of the numbers. 4 plus 0 plus 4 will give you 8, and then 8 divided by 3 will give you 8/3. You can't really simplify that. So this will be the mean absolute deviation of this data set of 4, 8, and 12. Now let's look at another example. So now let's try to find the mean absolute deviation of this data set. So I have 12, 24, and 3. So now we're supposed to do the first step, which will give you, we have to find the mean of the numbers. So to do that, we just go here and just find the mean. So to find the mean, we just do 12 plus 24, adding up all the numbers, and then dividing. So there's 1, 2, 3 numbers here. So and then just divide it by 3. Which then will give you 36, which then that will give you 13. Yes, that will give you 13. So then, in the next step, this was to subtract the mean from each number. So we know that the mean is 13, so we just subtract 13 from each number. Alright, so now we got -1 here, 11 here, and -10 here. So now we have to make all the difference positives. So we just absolute value for each one. Actually, I just make that red. So yes, we just do absolute value for each ones, which then will give you equals 1, 11, and 10. So that's we just do absolute value for that. And then, for the final step, we're supposed to find the mean of all the differences, which would be 1, 10, and 10. 1, 11, and 10, I mean. So now we're supposed to find the mean of 1, 11, and 10. So to find the mean, we do the same process, 1 plus 11 plus 10, which then that will get you 32. And then 32 divided by 3, you can't really do anything. So I'll just give you 10 and 2/3 as a mixed number. So then this will be your answer. Yeah, so 10 and 2/3 will be the mean absolute deviation of the data set 12, 24, and 3. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for more Math Apple 101 videos, and like and subscribe. Bye.